Hi, I'm Connector Geek and welcome to the next part of this series of videos about terminal blocks. Today we're going to talk about planning. When creating a new panel, there are a number of tools available that will help make planning easier, letting you concentrate on your design. Electrical CAD software has been available for many years, which create electrical schematics and wiring diagrams. And recently, the gap between electrical and mechanical software has narrowed. Now there are many solutions that will integrate wiring requirements into the physical design. The latest generation of software offers simple user interfaces, 2D and 3D drawing outputs, and the management of all of the components needed. They will also import 3D models freely available from manufacturers or sources like Trace Parts and Part Solutions, saving time when modelling your design. For terminal blocks, dedicated CAD software like the Entrelec Easy Rail Designer 3D from TE Connectivity provides extra detail, saving time by simplifying the complete process from engineering to assembly. When creating your next design, time spent in the planning phase will not be wasted and will help you to create the most cost-effective installation. Take advantage of the tools available and choose vendors that you can rely on.